Journal proper part 2, correction of accounting errors. Here we want to see the use of journal as per correction of accounting errors, and we'll demonstrate this by the following examples. Example 1. On 5th January 2023, a computer was purchased for $3,500 in cash, and the following entries were erroneously made. Computer maintenance was debited $3,500 instead of computer's account. We have cash was credited. That is, of course, the right thing. The narration is the purchase of computer in cash. Obviously, an error has been made in the above entries. Instead of debiting computers in non-correct asset, computer maintenance and expense account is wrongly debited. The correction is now treated as shown below. We have journal voucher. We have computers now debited $3,500, which is the right account. The computer maintenance was debited $3,500. Now, to make the correction, we credit computer account computer maintenance account $3,500 to nullify the debit that was posted to the account before, while computers is now debited to have a corrected position of that transaction. And the narration is the purchase of computers in cash wrongly debited to computer maintenance account now corrected. Another example. On 8th January 2023, goods worth $65,000 were sold on credit to Excuse Enterprises, and the account of Excuse Ventures was wrongly debited. Now, the corrected position is this. Excuse Ventures was debited. To correct that position, all we need to do is to credit Excuse Ventures, which is what is done here. The goods were sold to Excuse Enterprises. Now, Excuse Enterprises is debited, but it was on credit. This is how the correction goes. And the narration is base sale of goods on credit to Excuse Enterprises wrongly debited to Excuse Ventures now corrected. Another example. A check of 105,000 naira was received from Journal2 Enterprises, and the cashier debited Journal2 Enterprises and credited cash book accordingly. The correction of the above error is shown thus. Now, this is slightly different from the previous transaction. Cash book was credited instead of debited. What we need to do here is that for the value of 105,000 naira that was wrongly credited to cash book, first we need 105,000 naira on the debit side to nullify it. Secondly, we also need another 105,000 naira to record the receipt of the check, which is the payment. That gives us 105,000 naira times 2 to make 210,000 naira. That is why here you have that cash book back column. We have 210,000 naira because 210,000 naira was not specifically mentioned in the transaction. Why it is here is that the reversal was done in the posting as an error on the part of the cashier. So, as we said, to nullify the first 105,000, we need 105,000 on the debit side, and another 105 to nullify it, and another 105,000 still on the debit side to record the transaction. And Journal2 is also credited because Journal2 was debited for 105,000 naira, whereas the money was received from the enterprises. So to correct that position, first we need 105,000 on the credit side to nullify that transaction or that erroneous posting, and another 105,000 to record the transaction. That is why we have 210,000 on the debit side and 210,000 on the credit side, as against 105,000 that was mentioned in the question. And what is the narration? The receipt of check of 105,000 naira from Journal P Enterprises, wrongly debited to Journal P Enterprises, now corrected.